Let's talk about how you can use social media for work-related activities. When we talk about work-related social media, we're referring to the use of social media platforms for professional purposes and networking within a work or career context. It involves leveraging social media channels to enhance one's professional reputation, connect with colleagues and industry professionals, share industry-related content, and stay updated on relevant news and trends. Even if you aren't an avid social media user, you should consider having a social media profile or two when you're searching for a job. If nothing else, it can help demonstrate to potential employers that you have some technological skills and understand internet and social media trends. However, there are other advantages to using social media for a job search. It can help you build your personal brand, let you network and connect in ways that you just can't do in person. It can help make you more visible to hiring managers and recruiters that mine social media for prospective candidates, even when you aren't actively searching for a job. And it gives you a chance to interact with companies that you want to work for. If that's not enough to convince you, you should incorporate social media in your job search. In recent years, recruiters have reported using LinkedIn to source candidates, and this is numbers that are close to 90%. In addition, about half of those people are using Facebook. So just that alone gives you an idea of how many people are using social media to look for individuals who can fit well within their companies. If you're not on social media, you might be missing out on job opportunities. Work-related social media activities can include building a professional online presence. This involves creating and maintaining a professional profile on platforms like LinkedIn, which includes showcasing work experience, skills, and accomplishments. You could network by connecting with colleagues, industry experts, and potential employers or clients through social media platforms such as LinkedIn, Twitter, GitHub, or industry-specific forums and groups. Social media is a great place to share industry insights and knowledge. By posting and sharing content related to your field of work, such as articles, blog posts, white papers, or thought leadership pieces, you can contribute to industry discussions and demonstrate expertise. Through social media, you can engage in professional discussions. Participating in relevant conversations and industry-specific chats or Twitter chats and utilizing hashtags to connect with professionals and contribute to industry discussions can really give you a leg up. You can utilize social media platforms, particularly LinkedIn, for job searching, networking with recruiters, and showcasing your skills and qualifications to potential employers. You'll want to use social media to establish and promote your personal brand and demonstrate your unique value propositions in sharing insights and expertise in your field. Following industry thought leaders, influencers, and organizations on social media to stay updated on the latest trends, attend virtual events or webinars, and access educational resources. When we engage with colleagues, clients, and industry professionals through social media channels, we can foster professional relationships, collaborate on projects, and explore potential partnerships. Overall, work-related social media aims to leverage the power of social networking platforms to enhance professional growth, networking opportunities, and industry knowledge sharing within a career or work context. Some common work-related social media platforms and their applications include LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional network platform that allows users to create a detailed profile highlighting their work experience, skills, and education. It is used widely for job searching, recruiting, and connecting with professionals in various industries. Twitter can be used for work-related purposes by following industry influencers, thought leaders, and companies. It provides a platform to share industry news, insights, and engage in professional discussions by using hashtags related to your field. Facebook groups offer various professional groups that are centered around specific industries or interests. These groups allow professionals to connect, exchange knowledge, ask questions, and share resources with others in their field. Slack is primarily a team communication tool, but it can also function as a work-related social media platform. It provides channels for professional networking, sharing industry-specific information, and connecting with colleagues within an organization or community. While Instagram is typically known for its visual content, many professionals use it to showcase their work, share industry insights, and build a personal brand. It can be particularly useful for those in creative fields such as design, photography, or fashion. YouTube offers a platform for professionals to share educational videos, tutorials, and industry-related content. It can be an effective medium for building thought leadership and establishing credibility in your field. While GitHub is not typically considered a social media platform in the traditional sense, it is a web-based platform that facilitates social collaboration and networking within the software development community. It does share many characteristics with other social media platforms, such as having a user profile, followers, and the ability to interact with other users. Its primary focus is on version control, code hosting, and project management. If you're getting into web development, this will be an indispensable tool for you to use. When using work-related social media, it's important to maintain a professional image and consider your audience and objectives. Be mindful of your privacy settings, engage in respectful and meaningful interactions, and ensure that the content you share aligns with your professional goals and values. While it's true that social media can be fun, it's still critical to project a professional and upbeat image of yourself. Utilize your virtual entertainment profiles to make a persuading picture regarding you as a truly agreeable and hireable worker. Make sure your current social media accounts are appropriate for your employer by carefully reviewing them. Any questionable old posts or photos should be removed or hidden. Alternatively, you can take things a step farther and create distinct profiles that represent your professional interests. Your posts on these profiles should only be about your career or other information related to your industry. They should include a professional photo of you. Think about everything you add to these accounts from the perspective of an employer as you go along. The better your online image is, the more thoughtful, knowledgeable, interesting, and objective it will be. It is true that employers, about half of them, use social media to check on current and potential employees. So make sure that what you are projecting out there is something that is going to be representative of what you can do for that company. Once you have your profiles set up and they're polished and ready to go, you'll need to start connecting with potential employers. It's important that you make a good first impression, so you need to use social media professionally and with care. When you've established your professional social media profiles, it's time to let your skills and yourself shine. Have you recently earned a new certification? Include it in your LinkedIn profile and think about tweeting about it. Have you finished a hobby project that has to do with your job? Post those pictures online and use Instagram. Utilize social media to search for employment, connect with businesses, and highlight the unique skills, education, and experience that hiring managers are looking for. If you currently have a job and are looking for new employment, be careful about what you post. You don't want your current employer to find out that you're looking for a new job. Check your privacy settings, maybe twice or 3 times, to ensure that you're not informing your current employer that you're actively seeking a new position. Also think about who your current coworkers are on social media. Many studies have shown that most hiring managers conduct background checks on potential candidates for jobs online before calling them in for an interview. A website that serves as a portfolio for you might make sense depending on your field of work. This is especially true for web developers. You can post recommendations, awards, achievements, and accolades that you have received in one neat and tidy space, in addition to showcasing some of your work. Do your homework. You can immediately visit a business's website to learn more about who they are and what they do, but also look at their profiles on social media and other websites where they might be. You can get a sense of their tone and focus by reading their blogs, posts, and tweets. The more information you have, the better prepared you'll be for interviews and other interactions. By looking at a company's social media posts, you can tell a lot more than a static website. If you're called in for a job interview, keeping up with the company on social media can also be helpful because you'll have more up-to-date information to refer to. Social media is an excellent tool for networking, and it's a great way to keep in touch with people who can help you. Do keep in mind, however, that making as many connections as possible is not the goal of social media networking. You want quality networking connections rather than just a slew of people. Check out other people's posts and make sure to like and share them. Remark and compliment them on their achievements, and when you can, offer assistance and guidance. Make sure you aren't just networking to find a new job, because what comes around often goes around. Another thing you can do to extend your online network is to join gatherings. Let's say you find a remote job, for instance. Take part in some Facebook or LinkedIn groups devoted to locating and securing remote employment. And finally, increase your industry knowledge. You can use your social media profiles to learn more about your industry. While every social media platform has the potential to teach you something new, like Twitter, it can be a fantastic resource for current industry news and information. Simply look for terms that are relevant to you, such as your field or job title, and observe what appears. Visit it frequently to see the most recent news and follow people who frequently comment on your profession. By using social media effectively, it can really help to leverage you to be in a better position to gain employment.